Queen Victoria, born Alexandrina Victoria on May 24, 1819, became one of Britain's most iconic monarchs. Her reign lasted 63 years and 7 months, from June 20, 1837 to January 22, 1901, marking an era of profound change and development in Britain and its empire. Victoria ascended to the throne at just 18 years old, following the death of her uncle, King William IV. Despite her youth, she quickly established herself as a determined and capable ruler. Her marriage to Prince Albert of Saxe-Coburg and Gotha in 1840 played a significant role in her life and reign. Albert was not only her husband, but also her closest advisor, contributing to the modernization of the monarchy. Together, they had 9 children, whose marriages forged alliances across Europe, earning Victoria the nickname the Grandmother of Europe. The Victorian era coincided with the height of the Industrial Revolution, which brought about dramatic changes in technology, industry, and society. Innovations such as the steam engine, railways, and telegraphy revolutionized communication and transportation. Factories became the center of production, transforming Britain into the workshop of the world. Urbanization surged as people moved to cities in search of employment, leading to both economic growth and significant social challenges, including overcrowding and poor living conditions. Victoria embraced technological advancements. She was the first British monarch to travel by train and supported modern innovations that shaped the future of the empire. Her reign also saw the Great Exhibition of 1851, a showcase of industrial achievements and global culture held in London's Crystal Palace. Under Victoria's rule, Britain experienced notable social reforms. Efforts to improve working conditions, particularly for women and children, gained momentum. Laws such as the Factory Acts regulated labor and improved public health. The abolition of slavery across the empire, a process largely completed by the beginning of her reign, was a major humanitarian milestone. Victorian society was marked by strict social hierarchies and values emphasizing morality, modesty, and respectability. These ideals influenced art, literature, and family life. Notable literary figures of the era, such as Charles Dickens, Charlotte Bronte, and Alfred Lord Tennyson, explored themes of social inequality, industrialization, and personal morality, leaving a lasting cultural legacy. Victoria's reign coincided with the expansion of the British Empire to its greatest extent. By the end of her rule, Britain controlled territories on every continent, including Canada, India, Australia, and parts of Africa. This vast empire contributed to Britain's wealth and power, making it a global superpower. In 1876, Victoria was crowned Empress of India, symbolizing Britain's dominance in the region. Victoria's personal life profoundly influenced her reign. Her deep love for Prince Albert defined her early years as queen, and his untimely death in 1861 plunged her into prolonged mourning. She retreated from public life, wearing black for the remainder of her years as a symbol of her grief. Despite this, her popularity recovered, and she remained a beloved figure, representing stability and continuity during a time of rapid change. The Victorian era left an indelible mark on Britain and the world. It was a time of progress and innovation, but also of stark contrasts, with great wealth and poverty existing side by side. Victoria's leadership helped transition the monarchy into a more symbolic institution, adapting to the democratic and industrial age while maintaining its relevance. Queen Victoria's name remains synonymous with the achievements and complexities of her time, making her one of history's most celebrated monarchs. Her reign invites reflection on the interplay between personal leadership, societal change, and the evolution of empire.